Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're getting into something I think a lot of us can relate to, really holding on to those fleeting, precious moments of childhood.
Yeah, those early years fly by.
They really do.
Mm.
And our mission today is to look at how a tool like this one called CleanPix can kind of shake up how you make custom baby photo albums. Make sure
Right.
those tiny details pop.
Right. And what's really interesting here, I think, is how the simple tech tackles a pretty universal problem.
Totally.
We all have those super cute baby pics, right? But maybe the background's a bit messy or just distracting.
Oh, yeah.
So this deep dive is really about how you can easily shift the focus back where it belongs onto your child.
Okay, let's get into that. The source says it right away.
Uh.
Cluttered backgrounds or messy settings can take away from those memories. And yeah, we've all been there. My phone, full of pictures where my kid looks adorable, but maybe there's a laundry basket behind him.
Exactly. That laundry basket scenario is classic. And the core idea with CleanPix, according to the source, is that it can instantly remove distractions.
Instantly.
Yeah, the goal is to help you highlight your baby, not the background. It's about, cleaning up the visual story.
Now, here's something that really jumps out, especially for parents juggling everything. No photo editing skills needed. That sounds almost too good to be true sometimes, doesn't it?
It does sound like a big promise.
How does it actually make it that simple for someone who, doesn't know Photoshop from PowerPoint? It also mentions creating clean, print-ready pages, which is great for actual physical albums.
Well, the way it delivers is basically by stripping the process down. It's designed to be simple. The source really hammers this home. Fast, free, and easy for any parent.
Okay, fast, free, easy. I like the sound of that.
Right. And that speed means you can take that clean image and then do the fun part, create themed pages with custom backgrounds or props. So you get the creativity without all the technical headaches you used to have.
Okay, so walk us through it. What does this mean for you, the listener, practically speaking? The steps seem really straightforward.
Yeah, they are.
First, you pick your favorite photos.
Yeah.
The ones that really capture a moment. First smile, maybe messy spaghetti face.
The keepers.
Then you just go to the website, cleanpix.readernook.com. You upload the photo, and this is the magic part, right? CleanPix just automatically gets rid of the background.
Yep, automatically. No selecting or tracing needed. It's quite seamless.
Wow. Okay, so then you download this transparent PNG file. That's your baby, sort of floating, ready for a new scene.
Exactly, ready to be placed anywhere.
And then you can just pop it into tools you might already be using,
Right.
like Canva, Mixbook, Shutterfly. It even says PowerPoint.
Sure, any tool that lets you layer images.
Right. And from there, you decorate, add maybe a soft background, some cute stickers, text,
Yeah.
baby stuff,
Yeah, customize it.
and then you just print it. Or save it as a digital album. That sounds like a complete workflow, actually.
It really is. And if we zoom out a bit, this isn't just about photo cleaning. It's giving you the power to easily craft these personal stories.
Mhm.
The source even suggests some cool themes. Month by month growth trackers, those are always amazing to look back on.
Oh, yeah, they change so fast.
Totally. Or a first birthday memory spread, funny faces collages, always a hit milestone trackers, first steps, first tooth, and holiday pages too.
Those sound great. And they even give some pro tips in the source to make the albums look, really good.
Some practical advice.
Like using soft pastel or white backgrounds for a clean and dreamy feel. I can picture that. Very gentle.
Yeah, creates a certain mood.
And for consistency, keep image sizes consistent for professional layout. That makes sense, keeps it looking tidy.
Right, avoids it looking too jumbled.
And here's a lovely idea. Turn the final album into a printed gift for grandparents or keepsakes. I mean, who wouldn't cherish that?
Oh, absolutely. Grandparents love that stuff.
So it really feels like a fantastic shortcut. You don't need to be a graphic designer to make these adorable, lasting baby albums.
Not at all. And I think the ultimate takeaway here is that simplicity. It's how accessible tech like this makes things that used to feel quite complicated.
Right.
It kind of levels the playing field, It lets any parent create something really professional looking, focusing on the moments, not the software struggles.
It empowers you to just capture your baby shining without getting bogged down.
Precisely. Takes the technical hurdle away.
So makes you think.
Yeah.
What precious memory are you going to highlight next?